Hi everyone, Jessica here, your digital marketing specialist. Google ads and Facebook ads. What is the difference? Well, they're quite different indeed, but they both have one thing in common. You pay them to show people your ads. So Google ads charge people by the click, meaning that your ads may be displayed, but unless someone actually clicks on that ad, you won't be charged. And so the quality of the clicks with Google is generally higher than the quality of clicks on Facebook, because on Google, people are searching for a problem, and hopefully your ad solves that problem, which is why you get the click, you get charged the click, which tends to be a bit more expensive than Facebook, but the quality of people going to your website is a lot higher. Now, Facebook ads charge you by impression, which means how many times do people see your ad, regardless of whether they click or have a different action on your ad at all. Facebook will charge you by how many times your ads are seen. If people click on your ad and visit your website from Facebook, the clicks are generally cheaper than they are on Google, but the quality is less because Facebook is interrupting their user experience. They aren't actively searching for a problem which your service solves. So that's where you'll often find that the clicks on Facebook ads are often cheaper than the clicks on Google ads. However, Facebook will charge you per impression versus Google, which will charge you per click. So that's the difference between a Facebook ads and Google ads. Now, when do you use Google ads and when do you use Facebook ads? Now, sometimes Facebook and Google ads work brilliantly together. So running Facebook and Google at the same time, they can really complement each other and drive massive amounts of leads and inquiries into your website. However, if you don't have that kind of budget where you can afford both, I recommend testing out one and then seeing how that goes for 6 months or so. Is it working for you? Are you getting the leads and inquiries at the cost that you're prepared to pay? And if the answer is no, then be prepared to pivot and move to Google ads or Facebook ads, whichever one you chose first. So for example, I have a client, we've been running Facebook ads for about 6 months consistently. We've changed the ads, we've changed our offer, we've done lots of testing. And while we have gotten results, we haven't gotten the results at the speed that I would prefer. So we're taking our marketing budget and we're pivoting into Google ads. And we're going to test that out for another 6 months to see which one works better for us. Until we throw things out there, we really don't know, do we? But it's all about testing and measuring and preparing to wait for results to accumulate.